on the focus. So in this case, as you can see, that the Canadian has been flying, and the Euro New Zealand also has been flying. So let's, and the Euro Aussie, and the, so we'll finish all the Euro pairs. So let's take the strongest one, which is the EURCAD. And the EURCAD, as you can see, the explosive move that we had, and I'm happy to say that some of you actually, we were long that trade, and they actually stayed with it much later after I left the room. And I was checking back, and I think Khalid was one of them. Actually, they stay, and I was very proud of you guys doing that, staying with the trade. That is, it is the sign that now you're feeling the trade, you're getting the hang of it, and that was very, very heartwarming. So right now we close the week at 127.57. The structure point below it is the 127.28. So this makes our sell signal easy. So our sell signal is going to be the 127.28, but in this case, as you can see here, we have a structure point here at 127.16. So I'm going to put it 127.28 so that we stay, let's say, true to our style. I'm just going to put the sell signal here so that I remind you. So this is actually the sell, but I'm going to put it in the radar screen. We're going to sell below the 127.28 because that is our structure point. And on the long side, we have another structure point, which is the 127.75. The high that we put on Friday was 127.60. So we can take it above the 127.60, and we will have the second structure point. The only thing is, this is pretty much a distressed close. I mean, I really want to see this thing go above the high, so we will take it above the high of 127.60. We have a structure point of 127. That was the structure point. You see the 127.28. So now the next structure one is the 127.75. And in this case, my stop is going to be the 127.28. So my structure short point is going to be my stop. Okay. And on the short, I only want to go short below the 127.28. So 127.28, that is my structural short point. And of course, it is going to be my stop. Okay, so for the EURCAD, we're going long above 127.60. We have a structure point at 127.75. And our stop is going to be the 127.28, which is the structural point. On the short side, we're going only to go short below the structure point, which is the 127.28. That's going to be our short entry, our structural short point, and our stop. Okay? That's the EURCAD. Let me save that.